Hello, hello, children. Because we do not have school tomorrow, we're going to try to push these 2 days into one day. Or you can choose just to do this on Friday when we have no school, just to listen to this and complete the daily sheet. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to compare and contrast the most important two texts on the same topic. And that's RI 2.9. So we have read several texts about powerful forces of change in nature. And as you can see, tornado is on the top and water's awesome wonder is on the bottom. And we're going to compare and contrast the most important points in these two texts. And let's get to it. So first I'm going to ask myself what the important parts were in tornado. And one important part in tornado is that wind can harm the earth. So let's write that on the chart. So we are on Unit 8, Week 1, Day 5. And again, it is Thursday. I know I told you that we would come back to this Monday, but actually we are going to have to try to finish this out the week because I will post the test on Friday and I'll keep the test up until Monday so that you all can take that test before then so we can get those grades in. Okay, so on here, you all should be on page 6, and you can do this digitally, or if you have your consumable in your physical white booklet, you can do that in there as well. So our closed reading purpose for today is RI 2.9, and again, that is comparing and contrasting two texts over the same topic. So we're going to compare and contrast tornado and water's awesome wonder. And one of the details that I remember and that I recall in tornado was wind can harm the earth. So in order to complete the chart, you're going to have to ask yourself, what are the other main parts in tornado? And then you are going to write them down in this column. And then you're going to ask yourself the same question about water's awesome wonder, and you're going to put the main parts here. Okay, so we also put that wind swirls to form a tornado. Great. So I want you to think of two more on your own, and we're going to do water's awesome wonder together. We're going to do two of those together, and I'm just going to change the color here. And let's make this font a little bit bigger so we all can see what's going on here. Okay, so if you look back in the text of Water's Awesome Wonder, so remember, you need to come up with one more way. Let's just do one more way here. And then I would like you to come up with one more way under Water's Awesome Wonder. Okay? So the very first thing that we can recall from our annotations and just looking at our other sheets that we filled out is water can create beauty on earth. That's one. And that people enjoy nature. Well, there's another one. There's a couple more that you could have chosen. And you're going to put that right there. So go ahead, pause the video, get caught up because those are two differences amongst both of these texts. Now we're going to write here what they have in common, how they are the same. How are they the same? We're going to write that in the middle. Nature can change earth. What a great one. Nature can change earth. There is also another similarity. Okay, so we're going to compare. Comparing is telling how they're alike. Contrasting is telling how they are different. So here is where I contrasted, and in the middle is where I'm comparing. And I'm trying to show you all how they are the same. How they are the same. So we wrote 2 here for tornado. And then we wrote another 2 here for Water's Awesome Wonder. And then this is both. There is another similarity in the text, and I want you to pause the video, take some time, look through both of those texts because we did read those this week, and tell me how they both are the same. After you complete that, you're going to go down here to our exercise of today. Why did the author write these 2 passages? choose 2 reasons. As you can see here, there are 2 circles, so you're going to pick 2 different answers for that. And that is it. So those 2 assignments were pretty short. So go ahead, you're going to finish this up. I know you all are amazing at comparing and contrasting. And once you finish that, you can go ahead and turn it in, and your test will be posted on Friday morning, actually Thursday morning, so that you can take the time. I'm sorry, on the wrong week. Your test will be posted on that Friday, and I will take it down Monday morning so that you all have some time to work through it. And this is the short test. This is not a long one. This is a kind of short one. Okay, well, it's been great. We did not annotate too much, but our annotations from previously this week helped us move through this kind of fast, because when you annotate, it does take a little longer, but because we've already annotated both these texts, it was it was faster for us to talk through it and to write down our answers for this. So you can rewind this, and you can pause it. You can go back, so it'll give you some time to go back in the text and really find your answers for today. All right, well, that wraps up Unit 8, Week 1. On Monday, we're going to start Unit 8, Week 2. Boy, time flies. We're going to be on Unit 8, Week 2, Day 1. All right. See you all next week. Have an awesome, awesome weekend. See ya.